India had the talent for space long before it had the access. Held back by high costs and limited pathways. Only a few nations, only a few institutions, only a few people were able to touch the sky. In India, talent was never the problem. Ideas were never the problem. Ambition was never the problem. Access was. Students learned space from textbooks, not from launchpads. Innovation waited for permission, and space remained distant, expensive, exclusive, unreachable. Until someone asked a dangerous question: what if space was built from the ground up? Right here. In Chennai, Space Zone India began doing what others only planned. Not simulations, not theory. Real launches, real payloads, real missions. From hands-on training in aerodynamics, satellites, drones, and rocket technology to India's first reusable hybrid rocket launched on the move. Mission Rumi 2024. 3 cube satellites, 50 pico satellites, 1 mobile launch redefining flexibility. In 2023, the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam satellite launch vehicle mission carried 150 pico satellites, proving scale without compromise. Earlier, in 2021, 100 Fem2 satellites were deployed using high-altitude balloons, turning experimentation into execution. And when rockets weren't enough, Space Zone rewrote the rulebook. With the drone satellite launch vehicle, pico satellites were launched via drones in collaboration with BITS Pilani Dubai campus, expanding micro-payload possibilities beyond imagination. Layer by layer, Space Zone India removed the barriers: cost, access, opportunity. Today, Space Zone India continues with a consistent mission record, not as a company chasing space, but as a platform widening access to it. By training students for global challenges, by enabling real satellite missions, because progress often begins where access does.